Accessories display 1 water collection tray. Transfer tube. Power cord, drainage pipe, user manual, operational accessory, connection with water purifier, connect the power cord. Pull off the plugs of hydrogen water production tank. Connect the transfer tube with drinking water inlet. Then connect drainage pipe with wastewater outlet. Put on the water collection tray. Open the cover of hydrogen production water tank. Add mineral drinking water 350 ml, 450 ml. Screw the cap. Put the end of transfer tube in the drinking water container. Turn on the power switch. Set the water temperature mode, normal, milk, coffee, hot. Set the water amount, small, tall, grand, which is about 200 ml, 350 ml, 500 ml. Hydrogen water making, normal temperature and small water amount. The hydrogen concentration is above 4000 ppb. It is about 200 ml hydrogen-rich water at small water amount. Hydrogen water making at milk temperature and small water amount. Hydrogen concentration is above 3000 ppb. Hydrogen water making at hot temperature and small water amount. Hydrogen concentration is above 400 ppb.